Hi, Herb. This is the file that I'm kind of planning to give you for this zip thing that you asked for. Let me know if this works. So basically, just to start with, I've given the count percentage per store that's right here, and then I've taken the top 20 counts in here because if I give it like together, we have like a lot of it. So that's that, and here I've given the split of top 10 zip codes versus the respective the stores. So that's the thing. So in case you wanted to go ahead and see a specific store, you can still see that. It'll give you a split of what that is, and if you restore back, it'll go back to what it was here. So that's how it is. Let me know if this works, and if there are any other changes, I'll share this out. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.